today's gonna be a live stream. We're gonna be doing some of this again. It's like 9 in the morning on a weekend, so still pretty tired. You can, however, add me on Discord right there. I have my username right there. So you can add me on Discord if you want and chat with me, and I can send you sources and stuff if you need any programming help. But yeah, today's gonna be kind of a simple, we're creating another Roblox exploit, and I'm actually going to turn off my face cam so that you guys can see the full screen and the output and everything. So basically right now I have done some things. I have linked to the GitHub repository for Voidmaster already. However, I have not really done anything except for that, so I still need to change the icons, and if we go into our project properties, I still need to change the namespace, and I'm actually probably not going to change the namespace. So basically what I did is I took my Roblox exploit, P-Denny, and I basically just copied the source code from that, and I'm just changing everything to say Voidmaster, and then redesigning the UI. And P-Denny Pro is actually coming out pretty soon, so yeah, I'm not going to be live streaming how I make that, because that'll give away some of the source and everything, and I don't want that getting out, so we won't be doing that. But we are going to be updating Voidmaster today, so I'm gonna actually change the default namespace. We'll just call it void, but that means we have to come in here and change the namespace to void. Whoops. Okay, hold on. Oh, I got weird. Oh, I forgot the uppercase. There we go. Okay, so we have to make sure that it is void, and if we, you know, we'll just keep it as P-Denny for now. But I did finish the logo. That's what the thumbnail is, but it is a pretty cool logo. I did just Photoshop this. This is going to be the logo, the 32 by 32 pixels, and then we have this like trashy one. This is the icon file, and then this is the one. So I just added some texture to the V and then added some outline. So this is also going to be the Discord server picture. Right now, the Discord, it's, hold on, let me bring Discord over here. So right now, it is just a, right now it's just this, like the abstract background. It doesn't have the V or anything, so we are going to have to change it. So I'm actually going to change that real quick right now, because why not? So we'll go ahead and drag that in there. Hopefully that changed. You know, we'll just manually change it here. So that looks kind of weird because it resizes it, so. But that's pixelated, so. You know, all of them are kind of pixelated. You know, that one's fine. It's fine with like that. I think it's good. Oh, what? I put a dash there for some reason. There we go. Okay, So basically, we're just gonna kind of update some of the stuff. So we have the icon file. We are going to change that to the logo.ico. And then script hub, we need to change. Oh, the text is already script hub, but I'm gonna change it to the void master. Script hub, and then we need to change the icon once again. So, boop. Now we can go over to our options. Change this from P-Denny void master options icon. There we go. Main UI void master. We already got that. We just need to change the icon. And I already did kind of most of this, so we aren't gonna need to change much, but it'll still hopefully help you a little bit. Home UI, welcome to Void Master. Void Master home icon. Go. Okay, so now we need to change most of the properties. So default namespace we're gonna keep as P-Denny, so that when we create new stuff, build, debug, all of these I think are okay. Signing, security, yeah, so I think all of this is okay, but we do need to change the UI. So, well, I just closed that, because now we're gonna need it. Okay, so application, so we need the startup object to be P-Denny dot program. We're gonna change the, or no, well, actually no, not set, but we need to change this. So title, we'll go void master description, void master v1.0.0a company P-Denny exploit softworks LLC product void master copyright C 2021 P-Denny exploit softworks LLC. There we go. Trademark LLC. Assembly version 1. File version 1. GUID neutral language. Okay. I think we're good there. If we just run a test build just to see if everything is working. So it says build succeeded. Need to go into our bin, debug, voidmaster.exe, launch voidmaster, checking, blah blah blah, we'll just start. Yeah, so voidmaster, it looks like it's working. We just need to change the logo and the credits for all of them, but it looks fine. It looks a little bit squished actually. I think we might need to resize the logo to 64 by 64. Or no, 32 by 32. So we might have to change that. Script hub. it doesn't say anything like P-Denny split or anything like that. More scripts opens a new tab for ROBLOXscripts.com, just so you can like get more scripts, you know. And then we have all these startup scripts, those all work. Options, we have kill Roblox, join Discord server. So when you click join Discord server, it brings you to the Void Master. Yep. So that works. Actually, I'm gonna change the Discord server logo back to what it was. I can squish it like. Oh, it just looked squished for the preview. It looks fine, actually. So, yeah, so we need to make sure that the logo.ico, the icon file, so we need to go to ico convert. Here we go. So, actually, why is my opera thingy so big? Should probably change that. Okay, so we have Opera open right here. So this is how I convert icon files. So we need to come here, resources, logo.png. Gotta make sure this is the right one. Yep. So I already did that. So we're gonna delete logo.ico, and then we're gonna go to easygif.com. I always, even though it's a GIF resizer, I always use this no matter what I'm resizing, because it doesn't like squish it down. It cuts out the image instead of squishing it out. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go 32. Oh, I already, I'm so stupid. I already did this, so we can just take our 32 by 32 thing and then convert it to I am co. Okay, so download logo.ico, 32 by 32 on there. Okay, so now we can go ahead and change the so we gotta go to resources, ico. File with that name already exists, so we need to rename it logo. No. Control Z. Why do they have to put delete right by rename? That's so stupid. Okay, logo 32. And then let's see. Okay, that still looks perfectly fine. Okay, so save. Now I need to just come back here and change the icons on all these. So logo 32. It looks stretched out, but hopefully it won't be stretched out. Logo 32. Loader UI. There we go. Okay, now if we go ahead and start, should work. So it just built a new version. So that looks perfect. But what does it look like from the file? That looks perfectly fine. Okay, so launch Void Master. Yeah, I think that logo is gonna work. Yep. So that works fine. So we got that all figured out. Now all we need to do is we need to change this logo, the credits, and then the actual like UI and stuff. So scripthub.cs design. It's good. Options, menu UI. This is what we need to change. Okay, so this logo, we need to change it to logo 32 by 32. And actually when you drag and drop onto when you drag and drop onto the like if you drag and drop an image onto the logo, it will change to whatever image you have. So messagebox.show made by Mason Holmes, me, and Val. I don't know, how do you spell that? Valky XRIZ. There we go. Okay. So that's good. Now we just need to change kind of what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it sort of like I don't know. I'm thinking I could either make it like a scriptware-ish or Synapse X. So if I open this up, scriptware, I got blacklisted on Synapse X, so I bought scriptware. But if we boot up scriptware, it is actually not like anything. It's not anything like Synapse X. So if we hold it up here, yeah. So I just have to bring it down. But do I really want to have something like this? You know, like if I minimize this, you can see it better. Like that shape. Like I'm pretty sure I resized it, so maybe the original one is like this, like when you first download it. I don't know, but something like this probably, because that'd look good. And then over here, I know that they used WPF to make this, but I still don't understand how they got this this type of drop down kind of like script thing. So if you could tell me like how I do that, that would be awesome. But I might do something like this, but I don't know. And we do still have to make a launcher for it, but I think for now I'm gonna make it like a scriptware-ish, but then it's just like, no, I don't know, but I'm gonna need to change the background color because it's too light. It's at 60. Yeah, we gotta make that like 52, 52, 52. How does that look? What about 48, 48, 48? I think that's what I did for the buttons or something like that. $18 is like really dark. So not 18. 1 is completely black. So I think we go like 32 is too light. I think we just stick it at 58. And I'd say we just keep this design. I mean, it still looks fine. It is the exact same as P-Denny's board though. So So I don't know. I think this is good enough. I think it's fine how it is right now. So we're just gonna build it, close Visual Studio, and then we can go ahead and test it out in Roblox. So yeah, that'll be fun. So we'll go ahead and start testing it out. But yeah, and what I was talking about earlier, where if you like drag an image onto it, like I can take like an image like the Palm Ridge logo, I can drag it in. Well, that didn't work because they're different sizes, but there we go. So you can see what I mean. So it does have to be 32 by 32, or else it doesn't work. So like that's why I have the logo as logo 32 by 32, because when I drag it there, it fits it perfectly. So there we go. So that's what we need. We already have it booted up. I'm gonna close Discord and everything so that we can go ahead and load up a Roblox game. So we can go ahead and I don't need that live streaming page open, but we can go to roblox.com. And I'm on my alt account. Afghani is Sadie. And we can go ahead and just join my test game, and I can actually, oops, so we can do P-Denny exploit test game and experiences. So this is what I use to test P-Denny exploit on, like just to inject hacks and stuff. So we are going to be doing the script hub. We're going to be doing kill Roblox at the end, like once we want to close it, obviously. But hopefully the stream doesn't get too laggy. But we have all this. So basically the test game is just an obby. It doesn't even save your progress though, so it's kind of pointless. But we have like this is just like to, you know, test functions, and so I just had to put something in it. It can't just be a blank world. But why is this so fun? That's actually fun. Like and why did I say obby? I meant tycoon, sorry. But yeah, you get the point. And then I put the Windows XP error as. So basically, that's like the game that we test in. So I'm gonna click attach, and Void Master froze for a second. That's okay. That's what it's supposed to be. I'm actually gonna move this over here. So it looks like Roblox actually crashed. So that's kind of weird. Let's try again and see if it still crashes. And this is really like, this is what happens when you're a developer, when you're testing out stuff. Your game's gonna crash and stuff, so yeah. Okay, so we can go ahead and attach, and hopefully it doesn't crash Roblox. Okay, so it just keeps crashing Roblox, so I'm gonna have to figure that out, but I'm super hungry and I haven't had breakfast yet. So I am hangry and I need some food. So I am going to go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this kind of helped you understand. I mean, I didn't really do any programming in this part, but when I do like make a brand new Roblox exploit and I get hired to make a new one, and they want it to be like completely original, kind of like what I'm doing with P-Denny Exploit Pro, I will do a live stream. I'm just not going to live stream P-Denny Exploit Pro because obviously I don't want that source getting out. for using like my API and DLL that I'm making in C++ and everything. So I don't want you guys to know that code, but I will do a WPF like exploit, like instead of Windows Forms, it will be a WPF exploit soon. But basically, that's gonna be it for today's